Smart Pathshala. In our last lecture, we have discussed about the vector product of two given vectors, cross product or vector product. Okay. Now, in this session, we will discuss about the problems on scalar product. Okay. Let us remind the formula used in our scalar product. A vector dot b vector is equal to mod A mod B cos theta, where theta is the angle between A and B. Okay. I dot I is equal to 1, J dot J equal to 1, K dot K equal to 1, and I dot J equal to J dot I equal to J dot K is equal to K dot J equal to I dot K equal to K dot I equal to 0. Okay. That means the scalar product of two different unit vectors will give us 0 and two similar unit vectors will give us unity. Okay. This is the formula to be used in the problems of a scalar product. Okay. Now, the first problem is given as find out the angle between A vector and B vector. A vector is given as 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 6k cap, and B vector is given as 4i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. Okay. We have to find out the angle between these two vectors. Okay. Let us suppose the angle between A vector and B vector be theta. Okay. So consider the angle between A vector and B vector be theta. Okay. Look, A vector dot B vector equal to mod A mod B cos theta. Okay. Here we have to find the angle theta. That is cos theta equal to, from this equation, what can we write? Cos theta equal to A vector dot B vector by mod A mod B. Okay. So, to find the angle between these two vectors, we will first determine mod A. Okay. Then mod B. Okay. Then A dot B. Then we will put all these values in this formula and we will find the angle theta. Okay. Now, A vector equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 6k cap. Okay. From this A vector, we have to determine the magnitude of A. Okay. What is the magnitude of A? Let us find A dot A. Okay. A dot A means 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 6k cap dot 3i cap, again the A vector, plus 2j cap minus 6k cap. Okay. Now simply multiply this. The dot product of different unit vectors will give us 0, but the dot product of same unit vector will give us 1. So we will just write 3 dot 3 I. Okay. This into this. Again this into this. Means 3i cap dot 2j cap will give us I dot j. This will become 0. Again 3i dot minus 6k. This will give I dot k. This will also give 0. Again here j, 2j, 3i, ij will give us 0. And 2j and 2j. J dot j will give us 1 plus 2 into 2 j j dot j. Okay. Similarly, k minus 6 k dot k. Okay. These three value will give us the product of same unit vector as 1. That is 3 into 3 9 plus 4 plus minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36 equal to 49. Okay. This a dot a means that, or a dot a is equal to a square. Okay. So a square is equal to 49, or magnitude of a is equal to root 49 is equal to 7. Okay. That is a equal to 7. So just the magnitude of a is 7. Similarly, we will find the magnitude of B vector. B vector is given as 4I cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. Okay. Now, similarly, in previous case, we find out a dot a. Now, b dot b. Okay. That means 4I cap minus 3j cap plus k cap dot. Again, b vector 4I cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. Okay. Here also this into this will come, this into this will come, and this into this will come, and other 6 element will become 0. Okay. Now 4 into 4 I this into this. Okay. If there is a problem in understanding, then you can write 4I cap dot 4I cap. Okay. Then minus 3 using a plus sign, and minus 3j cap into minus 3j cap. The whole thing will remain in bracket. Okay. This into this. Okay. Now k cap dot k cap. Okay. Now we'll see that here 4 into 4 16 I dot I1. Okay. Plus 3 minus 3 minus 3 it become 9 j dot j1 k dot k plus 1. Okay. This means 26, or b square is equal to 26, or b is equal to root 26. Okay. So magnitude of b is root 26. We have calculated the magnitude of a, magnitude of b, and we have to find now the upper part, that is a dot b. Okay. A dot b. A dot b. Okay. Similarly, it is like we have already find a dot a. Okay, a dot a. We have already find the a dot a. Which this into this. Now a dot b means this dot this. 3I cap plus 2j cap minus 6k cap dot 4I cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. Okay. Now this part 3I cap dot 4I cap plus remaining 2 will become 0. I dot j, I dot k will become 0. Given to this part, first part j dot I will become 0, and second part j dot j. Okay, j dot j, that means 2 j cap dot minus 3 j cap plus minus 6 k cap dot k cap. Okay. Now you see that here it is 12 I dot I1. Here it became minus 6 here it become minus 6 and this will also become minus 6. That is 12 minus 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, that means a vector dot b vector equal to 0. Okay, we have find all our 3 requirements. Now put it in this formula. Now cos theta equal to a dot b, a vector dot b vector by mod a mod b. Okay, a dot b 0, mod a 7, mod b root 26. 0 by 7 is 7 into root 26 will give us 0. Okay, or cos theta is equal to cos 90 degree. The value of cos 90 degree is 0. Since cos 90 degree equal to 0. Okay, therefore theta is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so we can conclude that the angle between a vector and b vector is 90 degree. Okay, this is our first problem. Now our second problem. Okay, using scalar product, prove that diagonal of a rhombus is perpendicular to each other. Okay, scalar product use করে আমরা একটা রম্বসের যে পারপেন্ডিকুলার আছে ওগুলো একটা একটা পারপেন্ডিকুলার, we have to prove this. Okay, so at first we consider ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, where AC and BD are the perpendicular the diagonals of the rhombus. We have to prove that AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so let ABCD be a rhombus. Okay, here AB equal to BC is equal to a vector. AB equal to BC equal to a vector. Okay, and BC equal to AD equal to D vector. Okay, we have considered these two. Now for a rhombus, all the four sides are equal. That is, a vector equal to b vector equal to m. Left. We have considered these two vectors as m, as a vector and b vector are equal. Okay, this side is equal to this side, so a vector equal to b vector, and we have considered a value for this as m. Okay. Now we have to find the first diagonal AC. What is the AC? AC, apply triangle law in triangle ABC. What do we get? AC is equal to a vector plus b vector, and the direction of AC will be taken in reverse direction of a vector and b vector. A vector and b vector taken in order. Okay, and the third side will represent the resultant of these two vectors taken in opposite order. So a vector, so AC is equal to a b vector plus bc vector equal to a vector plus b vector. Okay, again the second diagonal BD. BD is equal to what? So see that in this triangle ABD, these two triangles are taken in opposite order, but according to triangle law, we have to make these two vectors in same direction. That is, the direction of A has to be reversed. That is, BD is equal to BA plus AD. BA plus AD. Okay, not AB. Not AB. Most important, this part. This part is always this, then that. Okay, that means BA plus AD will give us the resultant of BD in reverse direction. Okay, That is BA. BA means negative of A. That is A in negative direction. Okay. Plus B. Okay. Then that means BD is equal to minus A plus B. Now simply do the dot product of these two vectors. A vector plus B vector dot minus A vector plus B vector. Okay. Then A vector dot minus A vector. Okay. Plus A vector dot B vector. Okay. Plus B vector dot minus A vector. Okay. And plus B vector dot B vector. Okay. Now minus A square plus AB minus this one will give first minus AB. Okay. Plus. Okay. Now these two will cancel out and will give us A square minus A square plus B square. But we have considered A vector is equal to B vector is equal to M. Okay, that means we can write A is equal to M and B is equal to M. That is minus M square plus M square. Okay, equal to 0. The dot product of these two vectors became 0. That means 0 is equal to cos 90. Okay. Therefore, at last we can conclude that since the dot product of two vectors become cos 90 degree, so the two given vectors, what are those two given vectors? The given vector are this and this. These are the given vector in case of scalar product. Okay, these are the given vectors in case of scalar product. So the two given vectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay, hence we prove our question. Okay, that's all for today. And if you guys have any problem regarding these two problems, you can comment in the comment box and we will definitely try to solve it in our doubt clearing session. Okay, and if you guys like this video, then do share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.